is a title fight.
They think it's really cool. I think they're really excited to see me fight because they see me put in all this work, disappear like every evening to go to the gym to train.
From the charity angle, I think they think it's a great thing. From the rest of it, they just think I'm a mental little bastard.
Keep the fight at my pace and control the fight.
Plan is to put into action everything that I've been taught by my trainers. I'm going to start strong, and I'm going to finish strong.
Be ready, because I'm going to bring the fight.
Gary, I hear you had a week off training. Big mistake, mate. You'll pay for that. Trust me, you're going down.
From Hong Kong, ladies and gentlemen, in the red corner, Gary Hewan. And his opponent in the blue corner from the United Kingdom. Please give it up for Budgie Wright. Let the fight begin, and may the best man win.
That make you go,
Seconds out, round 2. Third and final round.
Ladies and gentlemen, the decision is in. And the decision is unanimous. The title goes to the blue corner, Budgie Wright. To present the trophy, I'd like to invite to the stage from Merrill Lynch, Mr. Rick Fisher. And ladies and gentlemen, the wonderful thing about white-collar boxing is there isn't really ever a loser. The winners are the charities that we are here to support and that these men have put their blood and sweat on this ring for. Ladies and gentlemen, what about a hand for both of our boxers fighting very, very bravely. The champion of championship white-collar boxing, ladies and gentlemen, Budgie Wright. 45 years old and still full of heart. Gary Hewen, a young man, still got a big future in front of him.
I am back again. Now it's time to dig deep for the charity auction.
Ladies and gentlemen, I've asked Zach to stay up on the stage with me to help me spot because it's time for our first round of auctions. And I would also like to invite to the stage to help me do the spotting Mr. Jamie Ong.